Hello guys, welcome to the video. I show like control a little controls for code pitching. The other thing is not in my discussion. That with the other thing with the other I don't know what's my favorite. I don't know. Crap. Options. It's not okay. Here's the things. Drugstore. 16. OPG. I don't know how to get it. fully italic and American. But what is the most useful control I lose? This control. And guys, actually who make this controller? I love this controller. Why? We have everything: keyboard, fully keyboard. No way. But I don't know what's this. Backspace? Back? I don't know what's that. But shut up for that guy. No, wait. Play political something. 1000. Shut up. This is shout out. I'm just saying that. Oh my god, I forgot to tell it. Oh my god, boys.
Today, we're going to try out Minecraft sports mods. Follow me. See, it's no surprise that sports mods are very unpopular amongst Minecrafters. So today, I picked mods from several different sports including golf, football, and even racing. Are they any fun? Are they worth your time? Let's find out. So before we get into the individual sports, I added a mod called Parkour, which adds basically athleticism to Minecraft. Now with this mod, you can do a lot of stuff like sliding, you can do little rolls and stuff, but the best way to show it off is I'm going to do this parkour course specifically designed for parkour, just to get up to speed before we go crazy in all of these sports. Here we go. Jump, lunge, run, slide, grab. Oh, okay, we made the jump. Let's go. And then we jump. Boom. Break fall. Wall running. Oh, we're sick. Into the end portal. I fear we are too cool. Oh, okay, we made it. Oh, okay, we're sick. Hold on, we gotta get the sprint build up. Oh yeah, we're locked.
Now guys, it's okay. It's loaded up already. Now I will show you them. Give it for this. It's okay.
Locked in. Oh, and we beat it. Look at that. All right, we're ready. It's time to get F.
Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. May busog sarap ang breakfast and baon pag may Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. I think I did download this one.
Athletic. I think we're gonna slide right into some soccer. It's soccer time. You like the soccer ball? The football?
Hit it with my head.
Oh, dude, no, you're touching with your hands, bro. Your hands are out. Hold up. Hit it with a little tackle.
Dude, wait, the slide is crazy, bro. And I just learned how to run, so I can definitely not do that.
Hold on,
All
wait.
right.
Oh,
Yo,
wait.
he's
The
going.
pass. Oh,
Yo,
it doesn't have
no.
much. Goal.
Oh, that's crazy. Goal.
Okay. I guess I'll
Wait,
try to
my
be.
bad, my bad.
I'll try to be goalie first.
Oh, yo.
Wait, I
Oh,
blocked that. Yeah, you can get 3 tries, buddy.
All right, bet. I got this.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Oh,
There you go.
man.
Dude, between my blocky legs. Oh, he picked it up, bro. That's
No,
cheating,
illegal
bro.
play. Yeah,
Traveling,
yeah.
bro's traveling.
Holy shit.
Okay. It's your turn, Andrew.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Just gonna
Never know.
punch
You
the
don't know what. You don't know
Oh.
what's going on.
Whoa.
Dude, yo.
You don't know what's going
Oh.
on. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
It hit the pole.
I got
I'll get it.
Maybe we should increase the size of these goals. Or are they good size?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, I
the
can
fan
try
in the back. Just me, I'm cheering for you, Dave.
Get in the
Oh,
goal.
do you want me to go in the goal?
Yes,
All right.
sir. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a
shit.
goal. That's a
shit.
goal.
I just remembered you could punch it.
The goal?
Yes,
All
sir. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a
shit.
goal.
I just remembered you could punch it.
Yeah.
We're tied up. So
Okay.
you're gonna bring it home.
Here you go.
Yeah, I'm pretty athletic. What can I say?
Yeah.
I can beat Matt here if I get this goal.
Hello guys. Guys, why every time I get a village? Stop. Ito tayo vintage.
Alam ko na kung ano gusto mo. Kaya salamat po sa inyong pakikinig at pagpapadala ng inyong forever witness. Wala po
What the? Okay. Don't be mad. Don't mean mad to me. What tayo lang yan. Okay. Okay. Oh. Paper. No. You go inside. I'll try to find you later. But this is my house. Hi. Okay, my house. I think I see something. My adjective to be safe. Decorate. Another one. Yeah, I already know it. This or this. Or it can be good, or it can. Okay, this kinda looks good. Guys, put down below in the comments how to download hacks for this kind of launcher. 5 lit. Ooh. Up. I swear I see something wrong with back there. I'll see it again. Guys, Did I am tripping or did I see an empty? Okay, bread for one. Oh, bread for that. Okay. I'm turning this on. I'm getting bread. I think is the name is Sweetheart. Did I click something? Wheat. Again. The name is Sweet. Jalash. Give. Just a. My glove. Wheat. W. L. W. H. E. Okay. Focus. Keyboard. I'm getting 1,000. Are serious? Okay. Where's the guy? I have wait. You. I have an emerald. Huh? Give me a lot. I have a lot of wheat. Serious. You're a good farmer. Okay, emerald for a copper. But this, okay, you're nice. Changing game mode. One click with the bed. Okay, now only this way. Get out. Oh, the door! Okay. Ooh. Come on. 32 emirates. That's fine. Okay. Crafting table. I don't need this. Get out. And I need a final crafting table. No. Doing this. Knock knock. My house. Beating and the dragon being like, okay, they're looking at. Look at me. Oh wait, this is not because. Oh, this FPS is not kind of bad. But I look around and it get lag here. What do you fucking want? I'm leaving. Yo! What the frick? Well, grab the table in our house. I think I need to get a rich speed. Bro, wait the street, Juro, go on here! Bro, blocking! Oh, it's the little guy. Do you have wood? No. I'm breaking this tree. I need wood. This tree is in the way of the road. I'm little lose some camels. And I need to make quad table, a lot of sticks. I think I lose too much sticks. Yeah. Get out. Die. Don't say that to me. A farmer! I have some helmet for you. Oh, I can trade my wheat for all of my district 35. Okay, get out. ready for that. I pick this. Wait a minute. This is more better. You don't need this. No. I'll go to the other village I want. Yo, 3 kids, stop being that. Hey, yo, stop looking to each other. I have lords. Yeah, that's what I thought. The Tyron. Get up, please. Just hear something. Oh my god, must be that good. What are you looking at? I'll shoot you. I'm missing all my wood. Code preaching, I will not do the code preaching, I'm just doing the stuff like that. I can make 3. Nope. I'm making this sword. I think I need to put my wood upstairs. And some axe. And this. Yeah. It's good. Now I need to do this. And I need to get some stone. Wait, there is back here. Oh, I forgot to put. I forgot to put the pressure. Another layer. Dang it! I already have a lot of stuff, right? I don't want to retain everything what I have. I need to go to trade mode. Yep. And then go here, go there. Yeah. And I need to go to my There's lava. The lava. Water and lava. Yeah, I have stone now. Escape. Lake 5. I need a house. I need a house to stay with the masters. I'm staying upstairs. Perfect house. Hey, here. Ooh, avocado. Whatever. Sure, buddy. I need some pumpkin pie. Need two of that, bro. I've been suffering for this 1,000 days. Thank you. I don't know where I get XP. I'm making my cobblestone tree over here. Water there. No. Put water here. Love here. No, not like that, guys. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Boom. Bang. Bada boom. Bada boom. I'm shaping everything. Cleaning the pathway. I don't know why I'm cleaning it. I need to clean it. Bro, I need some stone. This is good. Wasted by the. Just want to be nice. Okay. Okay. My game don't want does like loading chunks. I don't know where's the other version. The other villages, I don't know. There it is. It's near my house. Jesus, what's going on here? I'm done. Here. So, glass of flowers. Now I have a cobblestone tree. Yes. Stone Age, yes. I'm getting this. Hello. Hello, neighbor. Okay, guys, let me explain why I'm being nice, not like speedrunning. You know, every player saw village killing still and still. For what? I think I'll move the water. Nothing just happened, bro. Calm. Calm. Oh man, I need to go here in the valley. Need to find lava. Yep, is perfect. This would be in case of mercy. How would you really get some water and some lava? Another water. I'd get some water and some lava. You see already, guys, I already have that. I just need some things and one of tokens. I can order earbud share the token with me my other one. Sniff. Oh, it's not working. My cheat is not working. Oh man. Or need to get another. Nope. Now. I think. Now. Oh. I never played Java Edition in my whole life. That's why I'm new in like on mobile Java. Okay, I will show chunks. Okay. I need to see where is the spawners of this. Here. Okay, we are in this property. And there's nothing. Hiroshi. Okay. Reload all chunks. David lock my game. And it's getting more. Oh my god. I got picture with get low FPS. Mm, I'm not kind of hungry. I have a lot of cobblestone right now. Yeah, I should do something. I go here, over like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. Hmm. Hey, hi. Aliko. Zombies come. Huh. Run. Open this door. Get me in. You see a trouble, boy. I'm really your teammate. Okay, let me go out. Oh, look what I made. Perfect. Save this as things. What a picture. Mm. Oh, capture that. Okay, mode 5. Ah, my god, this video. But guys, stay tuned. I load a command. It's kinda sick for my heart. First, I need to get levels. Achievements. I need. Oh, achievements. I need to kill some pigs. Boom. Oh, pow, pow, pow. Look at pow, pow, pow. Pow, 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 pow. Yes. Pow, pow. Pow, 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 pow. To run. Experience. Yeah.
Nagbasa ka pa na, CL?
Oo.
Ha?
Oo.
Nagbasa ka pa?
Hindi.
Pinasa mo pa yun?
Oo.
Kaya mong basahin.
Oo.
Ha? Good na naman.
Opo.
Hindi mo pinasukan yung ano mo.
Ano?
Hindi na.
Di na.
Ano niya rin yung partner? Hindi partner mo? Anong group ka? Be, group 1 ka.
Ano group 1?
Sa ano? Sa math.
Oh, alam ko.
O, anong dadalhin mo?
Dito wala ko dala.
Bakit?
Say na, ano, leader namin.
Sino leader nyo?
Miel.
Si?
Miel.
Ano bang ganyo rito?
Classmate ko, Miel.
Wala naman Miel.
Miel.
Miel!
Dito ka?
Babae.
Hindi. Boy.
Wala naman. Ano sa'yo, oh? Oh. Sa ano yan? Sa math yan. Anong group yan?
Tingnan ko. Ha? Si Miel na, ano po? Si Miel.
Wala naman si Miel, si Domiel. Babae, bugok. Anong dadalo mo niyan?
Beta for science and
Yung science design siya sa math.
Beta, good morning, afternoon. Beta for science and PN and TLE. Ito ko sa Miel dito.
Anong gagawin nyo dyan? Tapos na kayo. Anong dadalhin nyo dyan?
Ay, ipalit teacher ko. Ipalit na ako group. Ipalit na ako group. Group ko si Miel.
Anong gagawa mo? Yun ang grupo mo.
Ipalit na ako group 1.
Ano bang ano mo?
Si... Hindi! Jacob, hindi! Hindi, flexible na Jacob. Klasiko.
Oo nga, sino nga yun? Sino ba?
Jacob!
Anong dadalhin nyo dyan?
Ang alam ko.
Hindi mo alam.
Tatoy, dala si Jacob na lang, luder. Sorry for that. Guys, copy this command. Is epic.
Hindi ko naintindihan mga peta-peta yun. Ay, ito, be! Anong gagawin nyo, be?
Ano?
Ito. O, be! Ito.
Ano?
Anong dadalhin nyo? Anong dadalhin mo?
Ano?
Ito, be, oh. Bilang tayo ng ano kayo.
Dapat ka pera.
Yeah?
Gusto bili. Gusto bili. Bili.
Anong bibili mo? Kulang mo yung what ko doon.
Wait lang.
Anong gagawin nyo naman dyan? Ito may gagawin. Di ba planetarium? Di ba meron ka ng ano? Meron ka ng Chloe nung ano? Ha?
Kasi may recycle ko materials kasi nag-collab siya ng math, henna, at saka English.
Kaya nga eh. Ito rin eh. Meron dadala mo na lang ano, be, marker. Wala oh. Ano yung small compass? Yung pag ganun, di ba? Ajuri, small compass yung kanon? Oh.
Mga
So, itong instruction board, ihatihin. Na? Ano to? Kumpas ba to? So, itong kumpas. Ano to? Ano ang tempat na?
You hard partner. No goes.
Ano to ito?
Good ka ano mo? Palit.
Doon.
Saan?
Doon.
Taas?
Ano pa may naglit na? Oh.
Wait lang. I have this. Time. Okay, so give me a second touch. Wait, check my game. Okay. Bali to kiss some. Okay, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe and like this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video. See ya.